Yeah, you could be the greatest, you could be the best. You could be the King Kong banging on his chest. You could beat the world, you could beat the war.